Sushant was a jewel, and he will remain so. Nobody can take his shine off. He's a sparkling star that can be dimmed by any evil. Bollywood didn't deserve Sushant. His kind of depth of character is rare. He had a heart of gold that never intended to harm anyone. Bollywood is a gutter of lunatic mafias, and they were threatened by him. The bullies tried sidelining him time and again. Sushant rose strong and undefeated every time. He is immortal in this world of chaos and degeneration. Loving him is so easy. His is the most loved spirit. Our love for him is growing every day. The thought they'll kill him and he'll be forgotten. Today, Sushant is reigning in millions of hearts. None of the useless products of nepotism in Bollywood could ever match up to Sushant's brilliant mind. His knowledge, his wisdom, and his curiosity about how the universe functions makes him stand out from rest of his contemporaries. Despite being blessed with stellar academic acumen, he chose the path of entertainment business. A self-made boy who started from nothing without a godfather. His achievements are a reminder that talent and hard work always wins over personal favoritism. When I read something that Sushant wrote, I connect with him at a level I can't explain. I know I love him, and I want to protect him come what may. I speak to him every day and hear his voice. I'm so used to feeling his presence around me that it has become a way of life now. As if I have known him for ages, since we were little kids. When he left with a piece in me last forever. I keep looking for that broken piece, and he smiles from heaven. Sometimes I wonder how Sushant must be feeling now. He must be relieved from all pain, trauma, and torture. The pain that was inflicted on him shall bounce back as a sheer curse. Nobody shall be spared. Sushant's divine spirit will break through all age-old evil practices. I can hear the angels echo in my ears. Message from my brightest star, Sushant. I hear him say how the world is about to change. I hear him reiterate how they all must repent, how they'll burn in the hellfire of shame and guilt. They watched a pure soul suffer. They chose not to save him while they could. My heart breaks into pieces, imagining the degree of his physical agony. I bleed every day, envisioning the suffocation he was made to go through. How I wish, so desperately, I could save him from all evil. I so wish to protect him even when he is gone, as if it's my responsibility to ensure his safety and well-being. It's a bond that I can't break down in words. I don't want to either try to put such intimate feelings in words. I have found Sushant to be my ultimate soul connection. The way he visits me frequently and protects me is incredible. His spirit is attached to me as a part and parcel of my existence. Loving him is an experience that I cherish. I never ever want to let go of him. Fighting for him is a part of my life now. Seeking justice for him is in my prayer every day. Just now, in this silence, he spoke so many things to me. He smiled at me, but there were tears in his eyes. Certain emotions we share that no one can understand. It's not the relationship between a celebrity and a fan. It's the bond between two humans. It's at a human ground that I have fallen in love with him. My brother, my best friend. I love you to bits, Sushant. Today, millions are celebrating Pai's short yet glorious life. It's because of his uniqueness of character, his core values, and the ability to connect with the underdog. He won every opportunity that came his way. He always won with grit and grace. His love for astrophysics, spirituality, music, and poetry makes me want to learn more about the world, as if I can keep listening to him forever. How can someone be such a genius at such a young age? No one has inspired me like Sushant does. At the same time, it hurts really bad to think of him as a memory. It cuts a piece of flesh away from my body every time I remember how he's never gonna come back. His books, his watches, his telescope, his music, his life goals. How I treasure every bit of one Pi has left behind. The baby picture of Pi right in front of me speaks volumes. There's a different emotion peeking through his twinkling eyes every time I leave for work and when I return home. There is love, there is pain, there is pride, there is concern, there is helplessness in the way his eyes emote. No one has ever touched my soul the way he has extended himself to me. Still can't believe how my life changed post June 14, 2020. The loss is still palpable, and everything has come to a halt with Pi stopping to breathe. Visions of him started appearing more intensely with every passing day. Those sleepless nights when I have been sitting up in my bed in the wee hours talking to Sushant's spirit. Time and again he has tried telling me how our souls are fastened to one cord, as if the strings were attached since several previous births. More than love and happiness, we are attached through the inevitable factors of human life, such as betrayal, suffering, and loneliness. We both have been through similar trials and tribulations in our lives. Sushant's physical departure flashed back everything from my past. We started traveling together back into an altogether different era. We laugh and we cry together. Bhai shares his life with me like no one ever did. How can I love him any less? Sushant's name isn't a name anymore in my life. It's a beat in the heart. One day I saw Sushant standing next to me in my ancestral home. He was consoling me how he's never gonna leave me alone. He was holding my hand and we were trying to read our destinies together. On the other hand, I could see myself crying and telling my dad that Bhai can never be gone. The entire family was mourning his loss and I was crestfallen. My brother, my best friend, my soul connection, Sushant was snatched away from me. Such is the ruthlessness of fate. Bhai had to leave me, though he continued reassuring me how he is gonna cling onto my soul and this house. It's been 7 months that you left us. Still can't believe you're not here. Today, you would have turned 35. On your birthday and always, I pledge to keep fighting until justice is served. Happy birthday, Bhai. you.